In just a few short years, the way we build with artificial intelligence has undergone a radical transformation. We've moved from simple instructions to complex architectures. Today, we explore the three pillars of modern AI development: prompt engineering, loop engineering, and the newest frontier, graph engineering. It all began in late 2022. Prompt engineering focused on the instruction as the primary unit of work, crafting linguistic spells to coax performance from a model. Here, the wording is the only lever. Using few-shot prompting and chain-of-thought techniques, developers learn to curate context for better results. By mid-2026, the focus shifted to loop engineering. Instead of prompting the agent ourselves, we design the system that prompts the agent. A loop is a task with a check. It plans, acts, and verifies results autonomously, observationally retrying until the goal is met. This reliability cycle allows agents to observe their own actions and self-correct, moving us from manual conversations to autonomous control cycles. But complex work requires coordination. By July 2026, graph engineering emerged to manage teams of agents working in parallel. If a loop manages a single worker, a graph manages a project team. Nodes and edges enable branching workflows and specialized feedback loops. The power of graphs lies in concurrency. Parallel review workflows can complete complex tasks up to 3 times faster than sequential retry loops. We now use typed edges to turn simple links into knowledge, defining exactly how state and artifacts flow between specialized agents. Crucially, these eras aren't replacements, they are nested. A prompt lives inside a loop, and a loop acts as a single node within a larger graph. Choosing between a loop and a graph depends on complexity. Simple tasks need a loop. Complex branching projects demand a full-directed graph. This shift represents the maturation of the AI industry, moving from tinkering with text to engineering multi-agent ecosystems. Prompting makes a call reliable. Loops make an agent reliable. But graphs make the entire collaboration of agents reliable. In this world, the human role shifts toward strategy, approving the irreversible edges where AI actions meet real-world consequences. Prompt, loop, graph. The 3 stages of a technological revolution that is just getting started. The architectures we build today define the intelligence of tomorrow. It's time to stop prompting and start engineering. Stay ahead of the curve. The evolution of AI engineering continues.